Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Under the Sun Pool 12 by 18 foot by 52 inch with accessories. Take in the summertime, sun splashing and playing in the Under the Sun 12 by 18 foot by 52 inch above ground swimming pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot-dipped galvanized steel walls strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. The package includes sand filter, GLI solid blue overlap liner, and locking A-frame ladder. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: corrugated steel pool wall for flexibility and vertical strength. This pool carries a 20-year warranty backed by Hollowell Industries. Includes sand filter system with 1 horsepower pump. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.